In this session, we are going to discuss few problems which have appeared in JEE Main, JEE Advanced in previous years, and these problems will be solved using the critical thinking process. This critical thinking process will covers the conceptual approach, and using the critical thinking process, we can achieve the correct answer in minimum possible time. It will help to score at the higher level in JEE Main and JEE Advanced paper. This problem was appeared in JEE Main 2016 in physics paper. This problem will be solved without using much calculation. We will use the critical thinking process and conceptual approach to solve this problem. For this conceptual approach and critical thinking process, you have very strong concepts in general in logical reasoning. In the prospect of physics concepts, I am going to discuss this problem and how to achieve the correct answer in this problem without using much calculation. First of all, go through this problem. This problem belongs to the chapter of heat and thermodynamics. The problem is that you have the ideal gas which is going through a process for which the molar heat capacity is given by C, and this molar heat capacity of the process remains constant. The relation between the pressure and volume of this process is given by P V raised to the power n equal to constant. This is called the polytropic process. You should not confuse with the adiabatic process. This process will become adiabatic process when the value of n will become the adiabatic exponent of the ideal gas. That means it will be equal to Cp by Cv. Then this polytropic process or this process will become the adiabatic process. We have to find the value of n in terms of Cp, in terms of Cv, and the molar heat capacity C. Cp is called the molar heat capacity at constant process. That means Cp will be applicable when the process will be isobaric. That means this molar heat capacity will become Cp when the process will be isobaric. This molar heat capacity C will become Cv when the process will be isochoric. Now we have to get the correct answer out of these four. What is the critical thinking process and what is the conceptual approach? If you will take n equal to 0, then V raised to the power 0 will become 1 and P equal to constant. That means the process will become isobaric. Hence, if you will put n equal to 0, then C will become Cp. This concept will be satisfied only by the option 1 and the 4. Now apply another concept. If you put n equal to 1 here, then PV equal to constant. PV equal to constant will be applicable for isothermal process, and in case of isothermal process, molar heat capacity will not be defined. That means molar heat capacity will not be defined when n equal to 1. Now put n equal to 1 here. You will get the value of C equal to Cp plus Cv divided by 2. That means for n equal to 1, you will get a definite value of C, right, which is not possible. Hence the correct answer will be 4. The way I have solved this problem without using any calculation, without using any usual approach, I have solved this problem using the critical thinking process, using the boundary method approach, using the fundamental concepts of heat and thermodynamics for the process,